Assalamu alaikum everyone and Eid Mubarak again I wanna say. So if you're watching this video today, I'm going to meet with my relatives. So if you're watching, so look at them. So I wanna give him the Eid Mubarak and Assalamu alaikum again, Eid Mubarak, my dear brother and my friends. So they are my relatives. So if you're watching this video, when I come to this my village, so I just feel that is the moment of this scenario. It is not like unforgettable. So if you're watching this video, so look at this. So the scene of this moment, it is really incredible for my life. When I come to this place, so when I come to the Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr, just I try to meet with them. So if you're watching, look at them. So just think them. They are come to this place from the capital, from the capital to village, and they are in right now into the village. So and they are really good people. So if you're watching this video, look at this. This is my uncle, also my friends. So look at this also, my uncle's also friends. And wherever you will go, just make a good friendship. Eid Mubarak, just made like this. So thank you so much and bye for the next one. And if you're watching this video, always try to remember your friend, your relatives. If you don't know, so don't forget to your relatives.
Dr. Yunus.
And again, look at this. His attitude and his style is not like our same. So my t-shirt and his Punjabi is not like same. So if I would make like this video by the Punjabi, so it would be the really significant and it would be the incredible. Thanks for the today's and bye for now. If you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, I don't know where you're watching this video. If you think this video are helpful to become inspired to learn English, so you can follow my YouTube channel. You can visit my YouTube and Facebook page. And thanks and see you for the next one. And assalamu alaikum.